G'day guys, my name's Nick, and in this video I'm going to show you how to reset the oil service and inspection service lights on your Volkswagen Tiguan. So to reset the oil service warning, all we need to do is turn the ignition off. So come down here, turn the ignition off, then we hold down the odometer button here while we turn the ignition on. So I'll do that now. So I'll hold down the odometer button here, turn the ignition on, and you can see the service reset show up there. And now what we want to do is come to the steering wheel buttons here, and we want to use the OK button to select that we want to reset the service, and you can see that that's reset. But now our inspection service is still due, so now I'll show you guys how to reset the inspection. So firstly what we want to do is turn the ignition back off. We want to come over here and turn our hazard lights on. So once we've turned our hazard lights on, then we want to follow the same procedure. We want to come over here and hold down our odometer button and turn the ignition on again. So now we have our hazard lights on, we can follow the same procedure. So we just hold down the odometer button, turn the ignition on, and you can see that reset show up now. Then we come back to our steering wheel buttons again and use the OK button to reset the inspection. So then we can turn off our hazard lights, and we can also do an ignition cycle, and then we'll double check that our service has been reset. So we'll just scroll down through our settings menu, hit service with the OK button on the steering wheel, and hit OK again to go into the info, and you can see there that it's reset both the oil service and the inspection service. So thanks a lot for watching guys, and if this video did help you reset your oil service and inspection service lights on your Volkswagen Tiguan, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Cheers guys.